We've just heard the Honorable Finance Minister's speech laying out the budget. There is not much confidence that the government has given to the citizens of India. We all know that the economy of the country is not doing well. It is spiraling out of control. Foreign investors are they pulling out the money. Now, I heard the speech very intently, hoping that there will be something offered to the middle class. Middle class offers the backbone. They're the backbone of the economy. So there's not much that is being given for the middle class. If you see in the education sector, there is not much for the education sector. In my own state of Goa, I have seen there are so many hundreds and thousands of teachers. They are wanting that their jobs should be regularized. They should be given permanent job. It is not being done. Para teachers in Goa, just before coming, they met me. They have been working for 15, 16, 17 years. They are not being regularized. So, education sector does not get much. Now, you come to the employment sector. There's unemployment on the increase in India. So, what have you offered? What is the confidence that you are giving to the youth of the country? If you see in my own state of Goa, there is a job scam. Why the job scam? Because there are no jobs. And if you want job, you have to pay money to the elected representatives of the government. So, I think so the unemployed youth of the country are also let down. You come to the health sector. What has she offered to the health sector? There's not much. She was boasting about women doing well in the armed forces and police. I can tell you in my own state recently, just a few days back, less than a week, a very distinguished police officer, Mrs. Sunita Sawant, who was just been conferred with award, has been transferred because she wanted to do her duty impartially, asking for a data on some nefarious activities of fundamentalist organization. So overall, this government has let down the people of the country.